I wanna be free. Woo. I got this light inside of me. I follow my heart, it's guiding me. You need love for the heights you're trying to reach. And don't lie to me, who you trying to be. Ay, ay. And you can be who you wanna be. I wanna be free. I wanna be me. And I'ma get it like who you wanna be, who you wanna be. You can manifest it all, take what's underneath and bring it to the surface. You got a bigger purpose. And I've been out here working on myself, cause I gotta do what's best for me. Getting ready for a date with my destiny. I dig deep, so I